Namaste everyone, welcome to the class again. Now let us see question number 12. We have to prove that sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equals to sine 2x into sine 10x. So I think this problem is little difficult. 12th problem. We have, let us take LHS. Now my left hand side is sine square 6x minus sine square 4x, and I have to prove that this is sine 2x into sine 10x. So what we can do? Here we can write this sine square 6x minus sine square 4x as a square minus b square. Let us try. So this I can write as sin c plus sin d. What we can do here? Okay, I will say that this is sine 6x plus sine 4x. I will keep it in one bracket, and sine 6x minus sine 4x in other bracket. Okay, and then I will use the formula for sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sine c plus d by 2, that is 6x plus 4x by 2 into cos 6x minus 4x by 2 into 2 times sin c minus sin d is 2 times sin c minus sin d. Okay, 2 times. Then we have cos term first, 2 times cos of c plus d by 2, that is 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into sin of 6x minus 4x divided by 2. So this will give me 2 times sin of 6x plus 4x 10x. 10x divided by 2 is 5x. Sin 5x into cos 6x minus 4x is 2x. 2x divided by 2 is x. Then into 2 times we have cos of 5x into sin of x. Now I will rearrange. Now what I have to prove? Sin 2x into sin 10x. Now, so this sin x cos x I will put together. So 2 times, now I have sin x into cos x. I am rearranging the terms here into 2 times we have sin phi x into sin phi x into cos phi x. So this is cos, so this is sin phi x into cos phi x. This is equals to, now 2 times sin x cos x is sin 2x into 2 times sin 5x cos 5x is sin 10x, which is our right hand side. So at first stage it seems that the problem is difficult, but it is solved. Now the 13th question. In the same way we can solve this cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So here I will remove this much part. Okay. Now for problem number 13. Problem 13. Okay. What we have? Left hand side is, I am writing solution, I am not writing problem. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. This is our problem, and we have to show that this is equals to sin 4x into sin 8x. So again here we will write cos square 2x minus cos square 6x as cos 2x plus cos 6x into cos 2x minus cos 6x. So cos c plus cos d is 2 times cos c plus d by 2, that is 6x plus 2x by 2 or 2x plus 6x by 2 into cos of 2x minus cos of, I will say, 2x minus 6x divided by 2 into cos c minus cos d is 2 times sin of c plus d by 2, that is 2x plus 6x divided by 2 into sin of d minus c divided by 2, so 6x minus 2x whole divided by 2. So this will give me 2 times. Now cos 8x divided by 2 is cos of 4x, so this is 2 times cos of 4x into cos of minus 4x divided by 2 is cos of minus 2x, and cos of minus 2x is cos of 2x, into 2 times we have sin of 4x into sin of 2x. Now again I will go what I have to prove, sin 4x and sin 8x. So this sin 2x cos 2x I will first keep together, so 2 times sin 2x into cos 2x into 2 times sin 4x into cos 4x. So this will become sin of 4x into this will become sin of 8x, which is our RHS, right hand side. So I get sin 4x into sin 8x as right hand side. Now 14th problem. So let us again, I will remove this, all these things. Okay, fine. So now next question, question number 14. Let us discuss that question. Question 14. The problem is sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. Left hand side is sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x, and we have to prove that this is 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So what I will do, as this middle term is 2 times sin 4x, I will first take this sin 2x and this sin 6x. So let us rearrange it, write sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 times sin 4x. Now we apply formula here, we will get 2 times sin of c plus d by 2, that is 2x plus 6x divided by 2 into cos of 2x minus 6x divided by 2 plus we have 2 times sin of 4x. So this is equals to 2 times sin of 6 plus 2, 8, 8 divided by 2, 4. So this is 2 times sin 4x into cos 2x, we will get actually cos minus 2x, but the value of cos minus 2x is cos 2x. So I will write cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Now this 2 times sin 4x we can take common. Inside we have cos 2x plus 1. Now let us see what we have to prove. We have to prove 4 cos square x sin 4x. So sin 4x we have got. Now this 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, you must know what is the value of 1 plus cos 2x. The value of 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. If you feel it difficult to recognize the formulas, what I will recommend that you see previous videos in which we have discussed the formulas. We have seen the derivations of the formulas. There you will find all the derivations. So here 2 into 2 4 cos square x into sin 4x, and this is your right hand side. So we got LHS is equals to RHS. So this is our 14th problem. Now let us see the 15th question. So it is not that difficult, and it is not so easy also to solve these problems. Okay, for this you have to first know all the formulas. Okay, and practice. Yes, practice is very important. Now LHS in the 15th problem, it is cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. We have to prove this is equals to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So in these kind of problems, I think we will get some value for left hand side. When we simplify right hand side, we will get the same value, and then we can say that okay, left hand side and right hand side are equal. Okay, so that way we can solve this problem. Now this is equals to cot 4x, write this as it is cot 4x, then sin 5x plus sin 3x. Here we will use the formula, it will be 2 times sin 5 plus 3 sin 8x divided by 2 into cos 5 minus 3 2 upon, so it is cos x. Okay, or I will say that cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, so 2 I will take out, 2 times cot 4x you can write as cos 4x divided by sin 4x into, here it is sin 4x into, here we have cos x. Now this sin 4x and sin 4x cancel. So finally left hand side is 2 times cos 4x into cos x. I will consider this as equation 1. Now I will take RHS, right hand side. My right hand side is cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So it is cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Sin 5x minus sin of 3x. This is equals to cot x into, now sin c minus sin d is 2 times sin of c plus d by 2, that is 5x plus 3x. This is sin c minus d, so first cos term will come, so 2 times cos. Okay, so I myself is too confused with the formula, so I can understand how confusing these formulas are. 2 times cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, that is 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So this is cot x. Cot x means cos x upon sin x. Better I will write it in terms of cos and sin, and here it is 2 times cos of 4x, and here it is sin of x. Now this sin x will cancel and I will get 2 times the same thing I am getting for right hand side, that is 2 times cos 4x into cos of x. This is our second equation. So I will say that from 1 and 2 we can say that LHS and RHS, they are equal. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. That is, you can say that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equals to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Okay, next 16th question. 16th question, let us see what is left hand side. My left hand side is cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x, and I have to prove that this is minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. So there is no choice, but the first choice is to apply the formula cos c minus cos d. So cos c minus cos d is 2 times sin of c plus d by 2, that is 9x plus 5x divided by 2 into sin of d minus c, that is 5x minus 9x divided by 2, and whole divided by sin c minus sin d is 2 times cos c plus d by 2, that is 17x plus 3x divided by 2 into sin of 17x minus 3x divided by 2. So this is equals to, now this 2 and 2 will cancel. In numerator I have sin of 14 divided by 2 is sin of 7x into sin of 5 minus 9, so this is minus 4 divided by 2, so sin of minus 2x divided by, here we have cos of 17 plus 3 20, 20 divided by 2 is 10, cos of 10x into sin of 17 minus 3 14, 14 divided by 2 is sin of 7x. This sin 7x cancels, and here I have sin minus 2x as minus 2 sin, minus sin, I have minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x, and this is my right hand side. Okay, this is my right hand side. So my LHS and my RHS both are equal. Now 17th problem. Okay, let us see the 17th problem. So in 17th problem, again we will see first what is LHS given. So 17th problem, my LHS is equals to sin 5x plus sin of 3x divided by cos of 5x plus cos of 3x, and we have to prove that this is tan 4x. So this is equals to sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos of c minus d, that is 5x minus 3x divided by 2 whole divided by cos c plus cos d is 2 times cos of c plus d, that is 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos of c minus d, that is 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So this 2 and 2 we cancel. Sin 5 plus 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this is sin 4x. Now this cos 5x minus 3x by 2, and in denominator also the same term, so I can cancel. So here in numerator we have sin 4x, in denominator we have cos 4x. So this gives me tan 4x, and this is my right hand side. So therefore I have LHS equal to RHS. Simple. 17th problem. Now 18th problem, sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y. We have to prove that this is equals to tan x minus y divided by 2. So 18th problem. Okay. Now 18th problem is LHS is equals to sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. We have to prove that this is tan x minus y divided by 2. So sin c minus sin d, I have the formula of 2 sin c minus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin is first, so here cos is first, 2 cos of, we have x plus y divided by 2 into sin of x minus y divided by 2, and denominator is 2 times cos of x plus y divided by 2 into cos of x minus y divided by 2. Now 2 cancel, cos cancel, and sin upon cos we have tan. So here I will write this is equals to tan of x minus y divided by 2 is equal to right hand side. Okay. So LHS is equals to RHS, tan x minus y divided by 2. Okay. So now the problems look little easier. Okay. So once you are comfortable with the formulas, you will find that the problems are now not that difficult as we think. Now 19th problem is, we have sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. Okay. So as we are solving the problems, we are getting more and more interest in solving these problems. Now sin c plus sin d is 2 times sin c plus d by 2, that is x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos of x minus 3x divided by 2 whole divided by, now we have cos c plus cos d, so this is 2 times cos c plus cos d, 2 times cos of c plus d by 2, that is x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos of x minus 3x divided by 2. So again you can see that this 2 cancels, this term cancels. We have sin 4x upon 2 cos 4x upon 2, that is we have sin 2x upon cos 2x. Sin 2x upon cos 2x is tan 2x, which is my right hand side. So tan 2x is our answer. 19th problem we have done. Okay, very good. Now let us see this 20th question. So 20th question, our LHS left hand side is sin x minus sin 3x whole divided by sin square x minus cos square x. We have to prove that this is equals to 2 sin x. Now in numerator, we can use the formula of sin c minus sin d. So numerator we have sin c minus sin d is 2 times cos of c plus d by 2, that is x plus 3x divided by 2 into sin of c minus d divided by 2, that is x minus 3x divided by 2 whole divided by a square sin square x minus cos square x. Okay, so here we have cos square x in place of sin square x, means if it is sin square x, so it is easy, but one term is sin, other term is cos. So what we will do? Okay, big question. Now cos square x minus sin square x, we know the formula is cos 2x. So here if I take minus sign common, it become cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, so this will help me out. I will write this numerator as 2 times cos of x plus 3x 4x upon 2 is cos of 2x into this is sin of minus x and whole divided by minus of cos square x minus sin square is cos 2x. So this cos 2x will cancel and sin of minus x is minus sin x. So that minus and minus will cancel and I will get the result as 2 sin x, which is our right hand side. So it is also important that always I have one eye on my right hand side. That's what I have to prove. Okay, done. So now let us see this 21st question. Okay, now 21st question, LHS is equals to cos 4x, cos 4x, not 4 cos x. It is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x whole divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. We have to prove that this is equals to cot 3x. So we can take two terms at a time and apply the formula. So this cos 4x plus cos 3x, if we apply the formula, we will get 2 times cos of 4x plus 3x, that is 7x divided by 2 into cos of 4x minus 3x, that is x. So it is cos of x divided by 2 plus we have cos 2x. Okay, so when I am taking 4x and 3x, I am getting values in fraction. So instead of taking this cos 3x, okay, if I take cos 2x, I think that will be a better choice. So in place of this cos 4x and cos 3x, we will take cos 4x and cos 2x. So I will write this as cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x whole divided by, here we have sin 4x plus sin 2x, I will write first, plus sin 3x. Now this cos 4x plus cos 2x, cos c plus cos d, it is 2 times cos of c plus d by 2, 4x plus 2x, 6x divided by 2 is 3x. So now see, we are getting 3x. So this is 2 cos 3x into cos, we will subtract 4x minus 2x is 2x, 2x divided by 2 is x, plus here we have cos 3x. And in denominator we have 2 times sin c plus d divided by 2, that is sin 3x, into cos x plus sin 3x. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove this is cot 3x. So in numerator let us take cos 3x common. So from numerator we take cos 3x common. So after taking cos 3x common, here we have 2 cos x plus here we have 1 divided by here we have, I will take sin 3x common. So let us take sin 3x common. So after taking sin 3x, here we have 2 cos x plus 1. Now cos x upon sin x is cot 3x. Okay. And this 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1, as they are same, they will cancel and we get our right hand side as the solution. So this is 21st question. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 more questions. 22nd question. We have to prove. So lot of proofs we have done in this exercise. 22nd problem, we have LHS. Okay, let us write LHS. My left hand side is equal to cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x. And what I have to prove? I have to prove that this is equals to 1. Okay. So what we do? Okay, how we prove? We have x, 2x, 2x, 3x, 3x, x. Okay. Now cot x plus 2x is 3x. Okay. So instead of taking left hand side or right hand side, okay, what we can do? We can, instead of taking this, okay, we will not write all these things. We will start with the identity. So we take cot of x plus 2x. Now cot of x plus 2x is cot of 3x. On left hand side, we will use the formula of cot a plus b. We know that tan a plus b, it is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. But we haven't seen formula for cot. Okay. So either we derive for cot or here we convert this cot in tan and then tan in cot. So that is not a good idea. Let us see the formula for cot first. Okay. So as we have seen that tan of a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is tan a plus b. Now if I do the reciprocal of this, okay, so what I will get? I will get cot 1 upon tan cot. So therefore we have cot of a plus b is equals to, here I will get 1 minus tan a tan b divided by tan a plus tan b. Now to convert this tan in terms of cot, we will divide numerator and denominator by tan a tan b. So when we divide, 1 upon tan a tan b will give me cot a into cot b minus here I will get 1 divided by, here it is cot b, Okay, we are dividing by tan A tan B. So 1 upon tan B is cot B plus cot A. So cot A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. Okay, right? Okay, so now I can erase this. This is a little derivation. Okay, so by this you can also derive whenever you stuck somewhere. So cot x plus 2x, what we write? What you have seen here, you have seen that this is cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. So here you will say that therefore I will write cot x into cot 2x minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot 2x, and on right hand side we have cot 3x. So therefore I will cross multiply. I have cot x into cot 2x minus 1 is equals to, on right hand side I will get cot x into cot 3x plus cot 2x into cot 3x. So therefore cot x into cot 2x, cot x into cot 2x. Okay, so therefore I will say that therefore cot x into cot 2x minus, I will move this on left hand side, I have cot 2x into cot 3x minus I have cot 3x into cot x. So I am not only moving from right to left, but I am rearranging also as what we have to prove in the problem. So cot 2x cot 3x, so this term I moved first and then I moved this term, but cot 3x I have written first, and this is equals to, this minus 1 will go on right hand side and it will become 1, and this is what we have to prove. So I will not write equal to, now I will say that hence, I will say hence proved. Simple, alright, not simple, but okay, this is how we can prove. So this proof was little different. Okay, here I think it is very difficult to prove by taking LHS. Okay, so now let us see 23rd question. Now what is our 23rd question? Let us see. Tan 4x is equals to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 power 4x. Okay, very strange. What we do here? On right hand side everything is in tan, on left hand side it is tan 4x. Okay, so nothing to worry, means I will start with LHS only. So in 23rd, my left hand side I will say LHS is equals to tan 4x. Now this tan 4x can be written as tan 2 into 2x, tan 2x formula is tan 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, means this you can write as, this is equals to 2 tan 2x whole divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. Now as in my RHS 2x is not there, only x is there. So again I will use the formula of tan 2x. So it is 2 into tan 2x, I will write 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So now in numerator everything converts in tan, divide by, denominator is 1 minus tan square 2x. So 1 minus, I will write this as tan square 2x. So what I will do? I will write this as 1 minus tan 2x. The formula is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and now I have whole square. So tan square 2x. So I will write like this. So this is equals to, now this 2 into 2 you will get 4, which is required. So 4 into tan x divide by, so I will write divide by 1 minus tan square x, and I will use this division sign for this denominator, and here it is 1 minus, it is in denominator we have 1 minus, now if I square it, it is 2 to the 4 tan square x, and divide by, now I can expand this denominator also. Let us see what we have to prove. So the denominator is in expanded form. So let us expand this denominator, which is 1 minus tan square x the whole square. So it will become 1 minus 2 tan square x plus tan power 4x. So this is equals to, this is 4 into tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x divided by, here I will cross multiply as it is 1. So I will cross multiply and I will get 1 minus 2 tan square x plus tan power 4x minus 4 tan square x, and whole divided by, it is 1 minus 2 tan square x plus tan power 4x. Now this division will convert in multiplication. So this is equals to 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x into, now this denominator part is actually 1 minus tan square x the whole square. So again I will factorize this, and here in denominator I have 1 minus 4 into, it is 6, 1 minus 6 tan square x, then I have plus tan power 4x. Now I think I am getting what is required, right? Yes, I am getting it. So this one part I will cancel. So here I will get 4 times tan x into 1 minus tan square x, that divide by, here in denominator I have 1 minus 6 tan square x plus I have tan power 4x. This is your right hand side. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. The problem is lengthy, but in one go we have done it. Okay, we have not find that difficulty to solve this problem. Okay. Sometime you will not get the required result, so don't worry. Keep on trying. You will definitely find the solution, and by solving in different ways, you may get some better ways of solving the problem. Now here on 24th question we have cos 4x, and that way we have to show that it is 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. So cos 4x, LHS is cos 4x. Now we know the formula for cos 4x. It is 1 minus, if in terms of 1 minus I want to write, I can write this as cos 4x as 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. And I think this is correct way of solving. Now this 2 I will write as it is, and sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So in bracket I will write 2 sin x into cos x, and then I have whole square. Okay, so this will become 1 minus 2 into 2 to the, actually it is 4, into sin square x into cos square x. 2 4 the 8. So this I will say that is equals to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x, and this is my right hand side. So LHS is equals to RHS again. And now the last question. But last question, it seems little lengthy, no? It is cos 6x. I think we have to proceed in the same way. We will start with LHS, which is cos 6x. Now minus 1 is at last. So this cos 6x, I will say that this is equals to 2 cos square 3x minus 1. And we know what is the formula of cos 3x. So this is 2. The formula for cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. And here I will say that square and minus 1. Okay. So this is 2. A minus b the whole square is a square, that is 4 4 the 16 cos power 6x a square minus 2ab, so 4 3 the 12 2 the 24, 24, this is cos cube x into cos x is cos power 4x plus 3 3 the 9, it is cos square x minus 1. Is equals to, now this is equals to, let us see what we have to prove, 32. Okay, so we are getting the result. We will open the bracket, it is 16 to the 32 cos power 6x minus 48 cos power 4x plus 9 to the 18 cos square x and minus 1. Okay, so this should be our result, right? This is what is given in the problem. So this is our RHS. So therefore we got LHS is equals to RHS. So it seems that this problem is difficult, but actually this is not difficult, right? So all the proofs we have done, and in one try we have solved all the problems. So this indicates that the problems are not difficult, only formulas you should know very well, right? Okay, so I think means many of you have find difficulty in solving these problems, but you must have solved along with me. Now those of you who find it difficult, so for them you have to practice all the problems again, okay, without seeing this video. If you want to see, you can again go through this video or some of the problems which you find difficult and then solve this exercise again. Yes, this will definitely help you in long run, as by solving these problems you will understand formulas very well. Thank you. Thank you for being with me in this lecture. I will see you in the next class with some new concepts.